How to fix Apify integration not working in Claude. So let's click on our name, let's go to settings, let's go to connectors, and let's click add, and then add custom connector. Now what you need to do is go to the console.apify.com, go to the search, and type in MCP. There you go, MCP server. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy this link. Let's go back to Claude, and you're gonna paste it right here. Let's do that, and let's add. Let's connect, and now simply just log in with Apify. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.